This journey begins with something many people never fully consider: what God originally intended when He created marriage. Week 1 is more than just the first lesson. It's an orientation. It's a sacred pause. It's a chance to step back and see the covenant of marriage through the eyes of the one who designed it. Some of you may come to this group already certain that your marriage is over. Others may still be wrestling with the decision or trying to hold things together. Still others may be here because the papers are signed, but the healing hasn't begun. Wherever you are, start with week 1, not because it will fix everything, but because truth is the foundation grace stands on. We believe that understanding God's heart for marriage matters, even when your own story has taken a painful turn. Marriage was never man's idea. It was God's. From the very beginning, He designed it as a sacred covenant, more than a contract, where two lives become one, a place for deep companionship, unity, and shared purpose. In God's heart, marriage reflects His own faithful love that never gives up and never walks away. It's meant to be lifelong, whole, and thriving. Even when brokenness enters the story, His heart still leans toward redemption, healing, and restoration. Because marriage, at its core, is a living picture of His unshakable commitment to His people. We believe that grace sometimes comes in the form of truth, and that confronting what God intended can be the beginning of true healing, clarity, and spiritual growth. If you find week 1 difficult, know that you're not alone. Let it land. Let the Holy Spirit do the heart work He desires to do. You are not being judged. You are being invited into a deeper encounter with God's grace. Once you've completed the orientation, the rest of the journey will walk with you, week by week, through the pain, the confusion, the hope, and the healing that comes after the unraveling. Divorce may have changed your circumstances, but it has not changed how much you matter to God. You are not alone, you are not forsaken, and you are not beyond the reach of grace. Let's begin this journey. 1 week, 1 truth, 1 prayer at a time.